Let's go this way. Slow down, Cutie. Look at that.
Look at him.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
Oh, a little bird fell down.
Look, he's crying.
Look, sweetie, up there. Oh, a nest. And 2 more babies, Dad. And a mother bird crying. Wow, look at this. A ladder, right here in the park. I wonder who left it. Who's there, little one? Mother, you're safe now.
Welcome home, my little loves.
Oh, you've come.
Thank you. Mommy's back.
Bye, birds. See you soon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep.
We had fun playing.
Bye-bye.
Look, Cutie. Let's head